Hello, student of 12th. Pay attention. Today I will explain what is function. Function is also a type of relation. Already you are knowing what is relation. Relation is suppose a name Ramesh had three uncle M1, M2 and M3. This is a relation. Ramesh had three uncle M1, M2 and M3, and Ramesh has Mr. Ram is the father of Ramesh, and this relation is unique. A relation that is unique is known as function. It is defined by y is fx. Note down this one. Next, type of function. Type of functions. Number one function. One function means in an element of A is x, y, z, and B is L, M, N. Image of A 1 to 1 is image of B is known as one function. Note down this one. Next, many one function. This is A and this is B. Element of this one is X, Y, Z, L, M, N. This is known as many one function. Element of A have two elements is an image with B from L is known as many one function. Next, number third, onto function. What is onto? That is A and this is B, and the element of A 1, 2, 3, element of B 7, 8, 9. 1 is related to 7, 2 is related to 8, 3 is related to 9 is known as onto function. In onto function, no element left in that is A, this one is B, element is 1, 2, 3, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 1 to 1, 2 to 4, 3 to 9. This is known as into function. In into function, at least one element left in B, that is no any pre-image in A, that is no any pre-image in A. This is known as into function. Note down this one. Noted? Next, 1, 1 and 2 function. 1, 1 and 2 function. This is A and this one is B. Function f is defined A to B and the element 1, 2, 3, 4 is the element of A. 1, 4, 9, 16 is the element of B. This is known as 1, 1 and 2 function. It is fulfill the property of 1, 1, 1 to 1 image and property of R2, no any element left in B. This is known as 1, 1 and 2 function. Note down this one. Next, many 1 and 2 function. Next, many 1 and 2 function. In many 1 and 2 function, A and B minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16. This is known as many 1 and 2 function. Fulfill the property why it is many 1. In A, two elements have an image in B and it is onto no any element left in B. Therefore, it is known as many 1 and 2 function. Note down this one. Next, one into function. This one is the set A, this is B, and the element of this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 1 to 1, 2 to 4, 3 to 9, 4 to 16. This is known as 1, 1 into function. Fulfill the property, it is 1, 1. Reason is this one, 1 to 1 image of A to B and fall into at least one element left in B. That's why it is known as 1, 1 into function. Next one, many 1 into function. Next one, many 1 into function. This is A, this is B, minus 1 1 2 3 4 1 4 9 16 25. This is known as many one into function. Why it is many one into function? It is many one because of two elements of A is an image in B from one element. Therefore, it is 1 1. And why it is into one element left in B. Therefore, it is known as many one into function. Many one into function is also known as bijective function. Many one function is also known. Many one onto function is known as bijective function. Note down this. Revise all properties. Thank you.